If you're running into the SS07 Snapchat error code, don't worry, you're not alone. This error usually happens when Snapchat flags your account for suspicious activity, such as excessive login attempts, automation, or spam-like behavior. But the good news is that it's fixable. The first thing you should do is unlock your account through Snapchat's official website. Open your web browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com. Log into your Snapchat account and look for the option to unlock your account. If that option appears, click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. This method usually works because Snapchat temporarily locks accounts that it suspects of violating its policies. Unlocking it manually should restore access. If unlocking your account doesn't work, check for updates. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Snapchat and see if an update is available. Sometimes outdated versions of the app can cause login errors, so keeping Snapchat up to date is always a good idea. If Snapchat still doesn't let you in, it may be a temporary restriction. Try waiting before attempting to log in again. Avoid repeated login attempts, as they might make the issue worse. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Snapchat account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes.